How's your day been?
It's been great. It's been hot and windy.
Hey, welcome to the vid. Hey, Marit.
It's another day.
What are you laughing at? Good morning. Hey, Grams. Are you gonna come outside?
Yeah.
Okay, good. Do it before it gets too hot out. It's gonna get hot real soon. It's gonna be a hot one today. Let's go outside. Looks like we have a fun project happening over here. What are we doing, team? Why? Why are there rocks there? You put rocks underneath your pine trees. No. The pine needles kill the grass because that's what the acid in the pine needles do. And then you just have a little like dirt floor underneath your pine tree. That's what's supposed to happen. 1 for the money, 2 for the show, 3 to get ready, and 4 to go. What?
Not right now.
What? We're going kayaking, and we just had to spend 5 minutes getting lined up for a frickin' picture. It was a big ordeal. Getting 4 kayaks lined up perfectly in the middle of the water, not easy. It's his first kayaking experience. You excited? Yeah. So many firsts for you. We got first casino trip, we got first kayak, first jet ski. Cheers. We just got back from our kayak trip, and there's a bird in the porch.
Bird in the porch.
How did you get in here? None of the windows are open. Oh, that one's closed.
Oh, yeah,
A big window. Oh, good call, good call, good call.
Bird over here.
Here, let's try to get this bird outside.
Just
We got him. No.
take him out.
Scared, Erica?
Yes. I do not like birds. Take him out.
We got a bird. Okay, let him out, Marit.
Okay. Ready, birdie? You're gonna go fly.
Yay!
Yay!
Whew. How did he get inside anyway? Time to wash my hair. It's been, what, 3 days? Kind of nasty. We're gonna jump into the lake and wash it.
I think 4 days.
4 days. I washed it Wednesday. I washed it Wednesday morning.
Oh, okay.
So about 3 days, 3.5 days.
47, and what did I get? 221. I was.
Who's the winner, Pops? Who's the winner?
For this game would be a score of 247. That would be Nate.
Oh.
There we go. Second it.
What have you by 20 some?
What was my? Yeah, what was
26. 221.
Yeah, I didn't even get the top. How's your day been?
It's been great. It's been hot and windy,
Hot and windy.
but it's been perfect.
We did some jet skiing, we did some kayaking, we did some yard seeing.
Which Nathan won, of course.
And my dad won.
And your dad, yeah.
Look at that. Look at that. How'd you do it the second time?
I came in 3rd place.
Out of 4?
Out of 4.
And what else has happened?
Some
You lounged
plunge.
around,
Yep, some plunging.
sat on the tube for a little bit, and just baked in the sun. Got to get that fresh vitamin D.
You bet. We're just waiting for dinner now.
Oh, yeah, well,
We're
the guys
hungry.
went to go buy more beer because they ran out.
Real quick.
It is very warm here, but it's also very windy, so I've been sitting in the hammock here, enjoying the nice cool breeze that we've got. Some people are going on the boat to try and cool down a little bit. I guess it's my mom, my dad, and then my sister. But my sister was maybe not going to go because they wanted to have a romantic boating to watch the sunset. I turned down the offer to go. I'm just gonna stay here. Also, I washed my hair today in the lake and it's very, very frizzy. I don't know how I feel about it. It's just kinda, it's just there. Editing videos, that's what I'm doing. Sounds like there might be some trouble in paradise. Can't get the boat started. How's it going out there?
Battery's dead.
Battery's dead. Uh-oh, uh-oh, battery's dead. Oh, good, they got it. Whew. Now they can go on their romantic getaway with my sister on board. It is hot in this cabin. Do you have a temperature reading? It's hot. Feels like 100, because I said so. We lit one of those firework lantern things, and it made it across the lake, so that's good. It didn't fall into the lake this time. That was fun. I'm gonna try to go to bed. Sweating all over the place right now. Not much I can do about it. I think I'm in one of the coolest rooms of the house, which is good for something maybe. Anyway, off to bed, do what's right, and you will see me tomorrow.